Fees falling through the windows, waiting for them to attack. They say don't get better, get better. I'm working on switching the letters. And tell God I'ma need a whole lot of hope, keeping it together. Smiling in everyone's face, crying whenever they leave the room. They don't know the battle I face. They don't understand what I'm going through. The world trying to play with my soul. I'm just trying to find where to go. I'm trying to remember the way. I'm trying to get back to my home. But I can do this on my own. That's why I'm just trusting in you. Cause I don't know where else to go. And I don't know what else to do. Just got a little longer, my friend. It's so worth it in the end. But when you got nobody to turn to, just hold on and find you. Just got a little longer, my friend. It's so worth it in the end. But when you got nobody to turn to, just hold on and I'll find you. I'll find you. I'll find you. Just hold on and I'll find you. I'll find you. I'll find you. Just hold on and I'll find you. They say fear harms and pain hates. I say pain strengthens and fear drives faith. And I don't know all of the outcomes. Don't know what happens tomorrow. Know where the ocean of doubt comes. Don't let me drown in myself. Don't let me stay at the bottom. I feel like this hole is too deep and kind. I've been looking for a way out. Better settle for peace of mind. Picking up the pieces of my life and hoping that I put together something right. Tell me all I got is all I need. Tell me you can help me stay right. The world's trying to break my soul. I'm just trying to find where to go. I'm trying to remember the way. I'm trying to get back to my home. But I can do this on my own. Cause I'm just trusting in you. Cause I don't know where else to go. And I don't know what else to do.
Don't let the fear make you feel like you can't find this on your own. And you know why? I'll be there for you no matter where you go. And you'll never be alone. No. Just got a little longer, my friend. It's all worth it in the end. But when you got nobody to turn to, just hold on and I'll find you. Got a little longer, my friend. It's all worth it in the end. But when you got nobody to turn to, just hold on and I'll find you. I'll find you. I'll find you. Just hold on and I'll find you. I'll find you. I'll find you. Just hold on and I'll find you.
Platinum for sweet. Word around, word of mouth, word around town. You don't want me, only word around town. Pull it up, you need to burn it downtown. I got hope, I got hope, we got hope, I got hope, I got big Steve. Yes.
how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine. I can lead with heart, I can make us strong, I'm satisfied if I play alone. But the voice inside is a different song. What is wrong with me? It's a light of the shines on the sea. It's blinding. No one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling up to me. So come find me and let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line to the line of the sky and to see? It calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sails and the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know if I go. Staring at the edge of the water, long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the light where the sky meets the sea. It calls me. No one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. Seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know that everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong. It's satisfied. The voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? See the light as it shines on the sea. It's blinding, but no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling out to me. So come find me and let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line? See the line where the sky meets the sea. It calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, then I'll know how far it
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. It's Community School 2018. Anima,
You go ahead and put your hands out with me. Yeah, been waiting my whole life to see my name in lights. I am invincible, unbreakable, unstoppable, unshakable. They knock me down, I get up again. I am the champion. I know my name can't hurt me now. Can't feel the pain. I'll take this. God's walked away. I am the champion.
Born champion. C is for the courage I possess through the drama. H is for the hurt, but it's all for the honor. A is for my attitude, working through the patience. Money comes and goes, so the M is for motivation. Gotta stay consistent, the P is for persevere. The I is for integrity, innovative career. The O is optimistic, open and never shut. And the N is necessary, cause I'm never giving up. See, they ask me how I did it, I just did it from the crushing the competition, been doing it from the start. They say that every champion is all about his principles.
Sing
Cafe
you guys.
Pagka kami nga ko poni ke tau pati. Kung may abay ang mawaa mo kay oan tu katik tau tolu refia fini ay ni na oan refano.
And you see, as we come to this time of the year, there's something that we're really looking forward to, and that's Christmas.
Pagka tawa man ko ke fahai tau poni. O tau amanaki ko to abebe ang tau siyo mo tau amanaki ke Christmas.
Can everyone say Christmas? If you're sitting at the top, can I hear you say Christmas?
Christmas.
So we've got Christmas coming up, and this is such an important time for us as Tongans. It's a time for family.
Kalau tau wan ko ke Christmas tau mea ko to ape o tau amanaki ka to atu kiai ko taimia ma ai family.
And for many of the kids, it's a time for presents.
Kalau to lahi ko tau fa nau o tau amanaki atu ke nau mea of Christmas.
But there's a person that we remember as we approach Christmas.
Tau kira to ko tau mana tua ka toa he tau wa tu ko ya ke Christmas.
And his name is Jesus.
Kalau no hingoa ya ko sisu.
Yeah, can I give it up for Jesus?
Kalau ke tau fa ke pas ma sisu.
And so we know a bit about the story about Jesus. That there was an entire nation that was waiting for the Messiah, or someone that was going to come and save them.
Kalau yang tau osi, iloi ko to ape talanoa ko ya Christmasi. Ai ko ko ya talanoa tau iloi na no foi. Ai fonua ko ni o amanaki le ki Messiah, pe ko hataha ke ne ha o fanga ha o fiti na to.
All right, I want to stop here, kids. Children, I want you to sit down.
Kore
Sit
ko tau
down.
fan au ke tau ki me ai fo kilalo.
Can I hear everyone say Jesus?
Jesus.
All together, everyone say Jesus. See, Jesus is the reason for the season.
Pako si suya uhinga ko yo fahai tau.
And when Jesus came to earth, he came to give you life and life to the full.
Pako tai mi ko ya na ha wa ko uhinga na ha wa si su ki mamani ke ma wa mo wi pe ke ma wa la au pito.
See, when Jesus came, he wanted to give you life so that you can party regardless.
Pako me na ha wa si su ke o atu ai mo wi pe tu wa ke ka toanga pe ke fe fia ta kawa.
And you see with the show, with the production, the kids were having a lot of fun. There was so many smiles, laughter, energy.
Pake ko tau sio ke ngai ari ko na fa ko fa na tau wakaya to ke na fia na tau wakaya to ke na mari na tau wakaya to ke na ne ke ne ka fa hoko i talana.
And this is the life that Jesus has given to our kids at Acts Community School.
Tako mo uya o ane sisu ke fa na wa ko ya ex community school.
And so tonight I'm going to give you an invitation to receive Jesus into your heart, because Jesus is the biggest party here on earth.
Tako e fia fini pam ke o ato e fa na mari ko ya ma tau tolu e fia fini ke tau taria sisu ke o tau to e ko uhi mai o ko hoi e pati la hita ko ya he tau ko nga ko sisu guys.
That's why the kids will stand up here confidently and they would sing their hearts out. They will stand on the stage and they will play an instrument. Never mind the training that they've had, the little training that they have. But what these kids know is that they are confident in Jesus.
Tako uhi ngai e malawa e whangau o tu ua tu pia peri muani. Hiri ma aki ho nau ositaha. Taka pau nau tā mea aki ho nau osi ositaha. Tatawa me koe hagi ma tai mi mo ki fononga nau fononga ia mai ka nau iloi nau tolu ai uhina nau loto lahi ai ko Sisu Kalaisi.
And so I want to give you an invitation.
O wha mo ke o ato e whakawhi ko ia ma ki tau tolu he fia fini.
And this life that I'm talking about, this life of vitality, this new life, it's only possible through Jesus Christ.
Ai mo ui ko ia ko talanoa ke he fia fini. Ai mo ui ko ia ma ongo ngi he tau mo ui o ku mao pe ia ia Sisu Kalaisi.
A life of freedom.
Ai mo ui ko ia tau ataina.
A life full of joy.
Ai mo ui ko fonu i he fia.
And this is a joy that you can have when everything goes wrong.
Pako fia ni te ke ama ko neo mo fehala ke tukunga ko to pe mo.
This is a joy that only Jesus can give you.
Ko fia ia ko Sisu pe te lava o atu.
See, a life of healing, of restoration.
Ai mo ui ko ia ia whaka mo ui. Ai mo ui ko ia ia whakafoki ke tukunga totonu.
Only Jesus can give you that.
Ko Sisu pe te malama ke o atu.
A life of fulfillment, a life of satisfaction. Because I know we can be tired of being dissatisfied.
Ai mo ui ko ia ku fono e mea koto. Ai mo ui ko ia e whea ua e mea koto a pepe ia e nonga.
But Jesus will make you content.
Ako Sisu e te lava o atu.
And so this is my invitation for you.
Ko whaafe ma ki tau tolu he fia fini.
If you want to live this life and life to the full, I want you just to simply shoot your hand to me. And by shooting your hand, you'll say, Grace, you'll say, George, I want to invite Jesus into my heart.
Taka pau ko koe e fia fini ku ke fie mao e mo ui koe a ko talanoa kei. Fe ke hiki a me peho ni mata ke me mai. Io o tama ko au ia ko fie mao e mo ui koe.
And all it takes is a little bit of courage, heart, and a prayer that we're all going to say.
Te koe mea pe e fie mao e iai e ki loto lahi fe unga ka guia i ho loto pe tāna ke kei ka moe loto ki tau whakahoko.
So if that's you, on the count of 3, you just shoot your hand up. I will see you, and then we're going to pray.
Ko pau ko koe ia hiki a ke peho ni ma pe te wakai atu ki ai pe te tau loto.
1, 2, 3. That's you.
Ua tolu hiki a ke ni ma ka pau ko koe. O ke fie mao mo ui koe o patano ke e fia fini.
There are hands raised all over this place. That's awesome.
Pamalo atu ke ngahi ni ma kotoa koe au hake. Pamalo atu ke ngahi ni mai o lunga.
In Romans 10 it says, you must confess with your mouth that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him from the dead.
E toi koe alonga maha o fulu talanoa ka pau pe te tau vete ake ho tau mutu pea tui ake ho tau loto no kotoa ko Sisu Kalaisi alo o tua na whakotu uia pea pepe kia e whamo ui koe.
And you will be saved.
E whamo ui.
So if you lifted up your hand, and perhaps you didn't lift up your hand, but you really want to accept Jesus into your heart, you still can. And all you have to do is just say this prayer after George.
Ka koe ai ka pau na hiki ake ho ni ma. Ka pau na ke hiki ho ni ma a koe ka kuke moi pe kuke fie hiki. Kore atu ke tau kau whakataha i o lotu koe ni. Pepe ke tau kui katoa. Tau kui katoa ka mo wangi mui. Angi mui katoa mai i lotu koe ni. Pea ke tui ko ho o lotu e. Ke tau lotu. Ek Sisu. O kou whamalo atu. Ko hinga koe mo ui koe ia. O ku ke whaki mai maaka. Whawheta i atu eki. E koe ahoni. O kou loto. Ke ukau i he kātoanga e awhiona. Koe ai Sisu. O kou vete aki ho motu. Koe alo koe o tua mo'ui. Pena ke hifo mai ki mamani. Pea ke pekia. Pea tui tai toi vei ua o loto. Nā ke toi tuu me me pekia. Koe ngā koa. Māo Sisu. O kau tali mo ui ko ia. E tuku ke o mau ia. O lahi au pito. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Amen.
You know, there's the greatest party in heaven happening right now for those who have raised their hand.
O tala no sola ko tana ki bela mari e tangi pule nga o tua pati a loto lagi. Ka ko ia ka bana ke fra ho ko tu ni ga ko ni. I ko ni loto nga ka to nga tu. A loto lagi ko na ko tu ni ko ke fra ho ko ko.
So having Jesus into your heart is the greatest party ever.
Ka ko ia ko tari ka sisu ke boui ko pati la ta ko pati to atu ta ha.
Come on, everyone, can you give yourselves a hand? Can we give God a big hand? So we're not finished, not quite finished. I'm gonna invite the high school and the intermediate up on stage because we've got one last song for you. And for those who lifted up your hand, the song is dedicated to you.
Oia te ke tau osi te tau whakao se keni kore ke whanau high school ka moe whanau ta miti e nike nau mea pai ko humani ka te nau atu e fōi hiwa ka ko koe koe na ke whakahoko e lotu koe ai kōni e fōi hiwa koe ni maau po koe te koe na te pou ka te nau tau o hiki o nau ni mai kōni.
Cool, so everyone put your hands together.
Koe ke tau kōsina mai kama koe ni.
This is how we party.
Bringing us down, that will break the night.
Thank you. That concludes our show tonight. Thank you, families and friends, for coming out.
Homalo atu ka te koutou ko tō pē, nā mō lawa mai koia e whiawhini.
And a special thank you to all our sponsors that made tonight possible.
Ka kono whakātō, whakamāle alai, te tēmo ke tau whaka paspasi e tau kau sponsor koia oi pōni.
So our sponsors, Cowley's, Cosmo,
GCC,
88.6,
Digicel,
Waikohi Enterprise,
Cowley Bakery, and all the families from X-Community School.
so thank you. One other thing, we've got another party this Sunday.
Not forgetting Coffee Post.
And our party, we've got a church party right here on Sunday, 10 o'clock.
Hoi ai ka tau pāti e hoko atu pei heni I e homo furu I e ao sā pate. E ke ngata ai, whamanato atu ka te kōtoru whanawako.
So come out, 10 o'clock, Sunday, right here at Tele Indoor Stadium.
Hoi ai whanawako whamanato atu ka pongpongi homo furu. Homo furu te tau I heni ai a pongpongi. E ke ngaro whaki a Paula moi, ta moi laivi hanga tonu koia e tau polo kalama e pōni. E ke mo ke tau ki paspasia ki a Paula. E ke ngaro whaki e tau le tio e whana ma waru fitu poini ni ma. Te veke tau paspasi mo ki ngau tolu.
Awesome. That's us for 2018. And from George and I, we want to say,
Oh, Vito, and
Merry Christmas!
Oh, sorry. Almost forgot. I've got a keys here, a set of keys. It's a car keys. Belongs to a Toyota with 3 other keys on it. Kapag mo hao key. Yeah, so tomorrow morning, Grace, what's happening tomorrow morning at 10 a.m.? It's party time!
It's party time. X-Community School. We start at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. So have a sleeper because you deserve it.
Alrighty. So everyone again, Merry Christmas!